Something like this, where the community comes together, and the big players are here. What does that do to you?
It just makes me so appreciative that this community is either learning or is already aware of the need for supporting women who are trying to flee domestic violence and supporting the shelters that do the on-the-ground work and the education and the counseling involved to help women make that decision to either leave that abusive relationship or put things in place to help them cope.
And what will the money be used for?
So the money from tonight's event in particular will be used in helping with our counseling program, as well as we have a child and youth program, so helping the children that have witnessed violence get the counseling and do things in place to help them with the trauma that they're experiencing.
Can you give us some facts and figures on what you're dealing with at your women's house?
Sure. In our shelter in particular, we're in a town of 20,000 people, and we serve about 160 women and children every year. They stay for 6 weeks. It's a cycle. We have people coming in and out. We have people staying with us, women who are 17 years of age, up to right now we have a woman who's 83 years old staying with us. So it affects, and as you heard tonight in the speeches, you could have coming from somewhere where you've never worked, you have no, excuse me, no work experience, so you need help finding a job or getting on some kind of assistance, to professional people such as nurses who it touches all lives.
Dare I ask, is it getting better?
I don't know that I can answer that. I don't see any slowing down of people using our services.
Okay.